Securities for more. Simon, what do you make? I mean, how did bond yields respond directly to Janet Yellen's speech, or do you think it was more Stanley Fischer's clear comments post that speech?
Look, hi Ingrid, I don't think we heard anything really we didn't already know. I mean, we know that, the Fed is certainly trying to talk up the possibility of a tightening this year, whether that's September or December. We know that the labour market's looking pretty good, consumers are pretty good, but, you still have those global factors and downgrades to inflation and growth they're monitoring. So it's still up to the data to support the commentary. And I think, we're a little bit of a case of deja vu for last year. Will it be September, will it be December? We've certainly seen futures markets increase the chance or the probability of an increase in September to 42%, December to 65%. That was below 50% about a week ago. But not a huge amount in yields. I mean, Aussie yields up a couple of points, the US maybe up about 5, nowhere near where they were after the last tightening in December.
Simon, Tony Davison from Henderson Maxwell here. I'm just interested in your views on the longer dated bonds, particularly 30-year treasuries in the United States. They're just starting to peel off, or it looks like that could be the case. Obviously, they had a very strong run on the back of Brexit. But is it just a natural sort of mean reversion in your view, or in a longer dated sense, are things starting to sort of move away from the low rate environment, and are we starting to see a bit of an adjustment in the theme?
Yeah, hi Tony. Well, we certainly saw a new band reached by both 10 and 30-year treasuries since the beginning of this year, trading at new lows. We've had continued strength in demand for the longer dated bonds. I think in this environment where the market has discounted the chance of an increase, we've seen a lot of demand for those 10 and 30-year yields. So you could see a little bit of that demand coming away, a little bit pushing those yields up. But what we tend to get is that as soon as you get a 5, 10, 15 movement upwards in those yields, we see that demand come back in and take advantage of that little bit of movement. So it'll be interesting to see whether that's what happens this time as well.
Just locally, a Mervac issuance as well. Talk us through that one and I guess the significance of it.
Yeah, good local issuer here in the property sector. We saw Mervac issue about 500 US back in June in some US private placements, 200 million Aussie dollar issue in the 7-year space at a good level. So again, a good opportunity for Aussie investors.
All right, Michelle, always appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.